What's up, everyone? This is Orange Wolf 7091 AJ, and welcome back to our brand new Roblox video. And today we are playing Zombie Attack. It is basically another ripoff of Zombie Rush, but newer and better version of Zombie Rush, stuff like that. And we are going into war with them zombies, as you can see by my uniform. Also, today's the big game of the Super Bowl with Patriots versus the Eagles. And as you can tell, I am rooting for the Patriots. Let's go! And let's get into the game. Here we are. Alright, so. I gotta kill them zombies. Die. Die. Ooh. Alright, my mouse just stopped working. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, bro. Alright, I need to get new batteries for my mouse. Be right back. Alright, we are back, finally. Okay, so. Let's go ahead and do this. I see you. Oh. Hey. Don't kill them. No. No, you killed my friend. How dare you kill my friend? Also, I don't know if you guys can see, but I have this beautiful wolf shirt right there. Stupid zombie was trying to kill me when I was trying to show you guys my wolf shirt. No can do, zombie. You can't kill me for that. Oh, he just came out of the ground. Is that even legal to come out of the ground? And I have this cool green sword. Die. Ooh, yeah, get wrecked. Ooh, yeah, get wrecked. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Get sliced. Get sliced. Wave cleared. Perfect. Okay, just gotta adjust myself a little bit. Die. Yeah, yeet. Hey, where'd you come from? Oh, them headshots. Bro. Oh my god, the boss is incoming! Incoming! The boss is incoming! Get him! Wait, oh, he's up there. Okay. Oh, whoa, was that like the Ring of Doom or something? King Slime. Oh, and he has a crown. Well, we can definitely tell he is the king of all zombies. No. You die. 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 No one wants you, King Slime. Die. 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 Huh. Oh, I got. Always go for the heads. The head of the zombies killed them the most. Ah! He's gonna do the Ring of Death. Oh, I just jumped over a guy. Oh! Oh, no, not again. Oh, my game just froze. Let me attack you with my sword. Just because I want to. Come here. King Slime, come here. Alright, I'm gonna die. Okay, I am die. I should climb up here for support. Oh, and it's gonna make me fall. Okay. Let's just go down here, because that's more better. Die. Guys, aim for the head. Headshots, guys. Use the head. Use common sense. Aim for the head. Ah! It's lagging. Lagging. Oh. And he just made me fall. How dare you make me fall, King? You do not make the Orange Wolf fall. Not in this game. Okay, can this guy, like, move? Good job, you're an idiot. You walked right into him. You're an idiot! Don't walk into him. Ah! King of this thing. We almost got. Oh my god, we almost got him, guys. We almost got him. We have 46 seconds left. No way. We can't kill him in 46 seconds. There's no way. If he stops moving. Oh my god, stop freaking moving. Stop moving. Maybe we can kill him. Okay, can you, like, stop moving? No! Stop it! Stop! Stop! Don't do... Guys, we almost have him. We almost have him. Keep aiming for the head. Go! Go! Come on! No! No, 5 seconds. Yes! Yes! We got him, guys! We did it the last 4 seconds! Let's do it! Yes, yes, yes! Woo! Woo! Yes! You're gone. You're gone. You're gone! Zombie! You're gone! Oh. Zombie, you're gone. You're gone. What? You're gone. You're gone. You're gone. Why aren't you dying? Ah, I'm trapped. I'm trapped. Alright. Okay. You're gone. You're gone. You're gone. Okay, I don't need your help, girl. I want to kill them myself. Fine! You take the monsters. Ow! I'm on fire! Help! Help! I'm on fire! Whoa, did that one just explode? Oh, yeah, that one did explode. Oh, God, they're all crawling up on me. Help! I need backup! 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 Ah! I need backup! Come on, let me get a place to, like, freaking... I need backup! Ah! Okay, I said it. Ah! I'm against the wall! I'm trapped! Okay, okay. I'm gonna die. I'm actually gonna die. Someone go same. Like, no! Alright, I need your backup for real. Oh, is this a vampire? There's a vampire zombie? What? Ah! I can't get stuck. Oh. Oh, Tank Angel? Damn! Tank Angel? No way. Oh, I just killed one. Wave cleared. Level 89. Oh, heck yeah. I've been playing this game a lot, guys, but, this game is like... Oh. Okay, really? I don't need you to... Stupid zombie. Level 90. What was I gonna say now? Oh yeah, some of the waves we've been to have been like almost level 80. Or wave 80. So I'm like, no way. Are you seriously trying to get up that? Dude, can you not get up that? Alright, can this girl stop trying to follow me? Why are you following me? Or am I following her? Nikki. Oh, that's the one that said same. Okay, okay. Oh. Oh, this is a good camping position to just kill some zombies over there. Yeet. Oh, dang it. Die. 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 No. You die. Riley is the best 1-2-3 boo. Wake up, you guys. Soldier! Soldier! Wake up right this instant! Ah! Zombie. There is no sleeping on the job, sir! Mr. _Dankbury, wake up right this instant! You can't be sleeping on a job. This is war. You don't sleep in war. Are you kidding me? Wake up! Stop. You can't. Wake up right now, or else I'll kill you. Ah! You can't be sleeping on the job, soldier. Who do you think you are? I'm gonna tell the captain. You can't do that in war, especially with zombies. Oh god. He's gonna. You know what? Fine. I'll leave you to die. Yeah, there you go. Die. No one cares about you. No one cares about you. If you're just gonna sit there on the job in war with zombies and do nothing, then that's definitely a problem. Hello, zombie. Goodbye. Oh. Okay, we gotta. Oh, you too, Riley. Even though you don't have a soldier, you just have regular clothes, I believe. You still gotta wake up and be in a job with the rest of us. You can't just make what the what was that? Ah! You can't be sleeping on the job, especially in war. War is meant for killing and winning for your team. And also a lot of violence and deaths and blood. So, yeah. Level up. Level 20. What? Level 91. Okay. I was like, what? Die! No one likes you, zombies. No one told you to come alive. I don't know even how you came alive, but no one wants you here. US will win this war, not you, zombies. Die! 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 Lava zombie. Ah! I'm on fire! Help! I'm on fire! Help! Okay, I'm good. Oh, I can just go in the well and be like, yeet. I'm not on fire anymore. I'm not on fire anymore. Ooh. Huh? You're trying to get me? Well, that's funny because you can't get me. You're too big to fit in the well. There you go. Oh, oh, oh! And you get the angel to come after me. I'm getting chased by a bunch of zombies. Ah, I'm gonna die. 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 Beast? What the frick is a beast? No. Oh. Okay, okay. Stop getting in the way. No, 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 no. No, you don't. Die, 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 die. Die. I want to kill the beast. Let me kill the beast. Let me kill the beast. Oh, I got a lot of. Oh, I got a lot of bonus for that. Man, the beasts are good. I like their bonuses on them. That is wow. I just got to level 93. Almost let level 94. Wow. And the levels are not as hard as like Zombie Rush. Cause Zombie Rush they take forever. I'm on like level 64 on Zombie Rush. On Zombie Attack, I'm on level 93. And I've only been playing this not that long. So, I don't know if they made it like that on purpose. So. Tank, die. Die! Die! Oh my god, level 94. Okay, guys, that'll be the end of today's video. And, hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, also comment in the comments below who do you want to win, Patriots or the Eagles. I want Patriots. Please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you next video, guys. Peace.